On this 2020 to 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid, P0532 is for the A/C pressure sensor circuit voltage reading low at the ICM. In plain terms, the module may be seeing the pressure sensor signal lower than expected. The customer may notice the A/C does not cool normally, or the system may limit A/C operation. Broadly, this can point toward the pressure sensor signal circuit, the sensor connector or wiring, the sensor itself, or the ICM side of the circuit. Before any pinpoint testing, start with a structured troubleshooting approach, and if other codes are present, understand those first so you are not chasing a shared power, ground, or communication issue in the wrong direction. To duplicate P0532, turn the vehicle to on mode. Turn the blower switch on, then turn the A/C switch on. Now look at the HDS data for A/C pressure sensor voltage. If that value is less than 0.24 V, the failure is duplicated. That gives you a live low voltage condition to work with instead of guessing from history alone. There is no direct way to test the pressure sensor itself in this path, so the diagnosis works through the related circuit checks. Disconnect the A/C pressure sensor 3P connector. With IG mode on, perform the listed inspections at the disconnected sensor connector. The normal readings called out are about 5.0 V for the unit output voltage inspection and about 5.0 V for the other on inspection. If those checks are normal, the diagnostic result points to a problem with the A/C pressure sensor. If they are abnormal, keep going into the related component and circuit checks. Use confirmed connector and terminal identification before making these measurements. Do not guess at terminal locations. Next, set up the VCC2 and PD sensor circuit inspection. Disconnect the A/C pressure sensor 3P connector. Disconnect ICM connector A, 28P, and disconnect ICM connector P, 36P. With IG mode off, check the VCC2 open wire inspection between the specified disconnected connectors. Normal is less than 1 ohms. Then inspect the PD sensor circuit for a short to ground with IG mode OFF. Normal is more than 1 ohms. If either circuit check is abnormal, the result points to a problem in the circuit. Again, make sure the connector and terminal identification is correct before measuring. Do not guess at pin locations. If the other inspection items all show normal conditions, the remaining determination is a problem with the ICM. Do not jump there early. The logic only gets to the ICM after the sensor side checks and the VCC2 and PD sensor circuit checks have passed. Keep verification separate from the circuit testing. After the fault area has been corrected, go back to the same confirmation setup. Vehicle in on mode, blower on, A/C on, and monitor the HDS A/C pressure sensor voltage. Confirm the low voltage condition does not return and the code stays gone. The takeaway is simple. Prove the low signal first, check the sensor connector voltage conditions, then prove the VCC2 and PD sensor circuits before condemning the ICM. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.